Okay, so Jim, I'm going to have you do a couple different exercises with me. So with your hands down to your side, how high can you raise your arms up on the side? Okay. All right. Now, Jim, the next thing I'm going to have you do is arms up at a 90-degree angle. And then I'm going to have you rotate up. All right. Arms back down. Now, Jim, if you'll turn around for me. With your good arm, how high will your good arm go up your back? Okay. Now with your bad arm. Okay. Yeah, we got some work to do. That's for sure. That hurts. And speaking of hurt, you said your pain level today is
I'd say a 5.
It's a 5? All right. Well, let's get you started. Let's get you feeling better, okay?
Okay.
All right. We're back with Jim. What you got? Look at that.
Yeah.
Grab a hold of your hands. Interlock the fingers and stretch. Perfect. Okay, slowly let your arms down.